guys. Where's my hand? Hi guys. Today I'm going to be doing a toy review of my Shopkins that I got for Christmas. Sorry guys, that's one of my other things that are going to be in my next video. I got this cute little Chef's Club pancake maker. And then you can open this up, close it. Then I got a blind bag in a different pack. There are 2 packs of the Chef's Club. I got a blind bag in a different one. Ugh, can't open it. So hard. So I got this blind bag. There would be a blind bag in this. Blind bag in there. But I already opened it, and the blind bag and the special one was, here, where'd it go? It was this one. So, pancake or sandwich. Then I'll put those off to the side. Then I got these little pancakes. Okay. Then I got these little pancakes. So, as you can kind of see. Then I got these. Oh, that's a different set. Sorry, guys. Then I got this little raspberry. Then I got a pancake. And then I got these little strawberries. And
even guys, I got these.
Wait, I'll show them in a different one. Show them later. So then I got this. And I got this.
There can be these shovels.
Wait, can you please move those?
No.
Wait, we're gonna do those after I show mine. Okay.
Okay.
Those.
And then I give this purple to my sister.
Yeah, she gave this one to me. And then I already had this yellow.
Yeah.
Then move that. Here, put those over there.
It can be like a kitchen set.
Yeah, I did get kitchen set. So there's this little plate.
Bowl.
That's
It's a
plate.
bowl.
Okay, whatever. Then I got this little measuring cup, even though it doesn't have any measures.
And
No
then
measures.
she has
Wait, I'm not ready for that.
Ow.
So then I got. Why are you so excited? This isn't new in your channel. There's this little booklet.
I'm wearing my Christmas dress.
Here's her Christmas dress. Her hair is pretty messy right now. Oops, I dropped one.
It's a mirror.
I don't know if I should show that one, so I'll just show that. Then I got this little book. Says Brenda Banana Smoothie. So, and then on the inside it says Banana Smoothie. I don't know if you can read that if you're not read. But then this says Melissa Milk. This one says Runny Honey. And this one says this one, right? Wait, no, sorry. This one says V Vanilla Tubes. This one says Blocky Ice Cube. Says Peanut Butter. And then this one says Buncho Banana. So I think you're supposed to find a banana. And leave a comment down below. Or just tell me, or leave a comment down below which one the banana is. You're supposed to find the banana. So Melissa Milk, Runny Honey, Bonjo Bananas, Vanilla Tubes, Blocky Ice Cube, or Peanut Butter. So, got some more. Guys, I'll put this over here. And then, got, here's Blocky Ice Cube. It's a different color, though. It looks like chalky ice cube, because it's like chocolate. Got this. Do you have any of my Shopkins down there, sweetie?
No.
Oh, you just play with my doll. Got a Barbie. I'll show you that in one of my other videos. And then this little bananas thingy. And then got this scoop of ice cream. And then I got some, this is either flour or sugar. I think it's sugar. Does it have it on the
I'm brushing her hair.
Oh. That's all for the Chef's Club. And then there's this Happy Places that I got in the blind bags. So this one was my sister's. And then I had this one, of course. Then these come apart. And then you can snap. Sorry, guys. Can put that down there. And snap them together. Then just like that. Oh, wait, we're not doing that. We're doing that in a different video. Okay, please be quiet. Then I got this little cacti and this book and then a carrier. Where's the face? Oh. They are both Petkins. And then my little sister. Wait, don't show your face.
No.
Then my little sister got this little scanner. It doesn't say any numbers, but then she got these little like strawberry peanuts, and then there's this scooper. It's a kitty. So like, set that over there.
It can
Here,
go,
I'll show you guys.
It can be like a little kitchen.
Yeah. So then you can like scoop it up with the scooper.
Then
Just like that. And then you have the scoop.
and you
And
put
then
it on
you-
the scale.
That's a scale. Then you... Here, I'll set that down. It's kind of hard because I had to hold the camera. And then you drop them onto the scale. And then it'll weigh. And then you can pick them back up onto this. And then you can buy them. So, I have some more things of Shopkins. Yeah, I'm going to get all mine. Could I have mine back?
I
need them.
to fix it.
Okay, just put them over here once you're done.
Okay.
And then I also got, this will go in one of my other videos. Thank you. That one's yours, so no, don't put them over here. That one's, okay. Then I got this.
You can
I'll
have
move
these
this.
all for free.
What? Oh,
You can
thank you.
All for free.
You're so nice. So my sister just gave me hers. You're so nice. I'm just going to kiss you. And then I got...
A Barbie.
Okay, just wait. I got...
Mickey
Here,
Mouse.
I'll set this on our floor.
Mickey Mouse.
Wait, don't say it, please. So I got... Sorry. I got
Mickey Mouse.
this little pillowcase. Oops, sorry. My dad's shoe was in the way. And they're watching my stream right now. And then I'll flip it over. I don't know if I told you, but this is the first video I've ever made. And then, here, please go get my Shopkins pillow. It's over there. Here, go get my Shopkins pillow. Yeah. And then I got this. Says love and the other word said sweet. And then my sister has...
Shopkins pillow.
No, over there on the dresser drawers. So, my older sister has this popcorns one. And then my youngest sister has this one. And then, here, okay, then I have this one. So I'll set this one down so you can see what they look like. Sorry, guys. I just need... Actually, I'll bring the video. Excuse me. Could you please move? Sorry, guys. That's okay. I don't know what to do. Okay. Then I got this pillow, and it matches that other one. And then you can actually smell its lips. It smells like strawberry juice. And then I got this. That's the wrong thing. Then I got this 2-in-1.
Mine.
Okay, got this 2-in-1 flip over book. It says 2-in-1. 2. That was creepy. I'm gonna go to my mom's thing. Mom, someone just banged on the window. A window. That window? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get back to my video. Okay, I got that.
Oh, show them my pillow.
Okay, that's my little sister's pillow. And here's the other side. You can see it flips over too. So like, first, okay, please move that over there. First, it will be just normal. And then sorry guys. Then it will get to be upside down. So now it's upside down. So then I'll have to flip it over. That's 2-1. And that's all I got for Shopkins, guys.